Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Kids, I think you all are fine. Kids, keep pen, pencil and book with you and write down the important points which I will discuss in this lesson. Kids, this is a India map which we are seeing in this map physical features. Okay kids, what we are seeing in this map physical features of India, which I discussed in the previous class. Physical features of India. In that lesson I discussed all physical features of India. Okay kids, children, tell me the physical features of India and which are those.
First is northern mountain. Second is the northern great plains. Third is the peninsular plateau. Fourth is the coastal plains. Fifth is island.
Yes my child, you are right. The physical features of India are northern mountain, the northern great plains, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains and then islands. Where the eastern and western Ghats meet. One more time I will ask. Where the eastern and western Ghats meet.
In Nilgiri Hills.
Yes my child, you are right. The western and the eastern Ghats meet in Nilgiri Hills. Children, identify these pictures and tell me what you think about this. Identify these pictures and tell me what you think about this.
Climate.
Yes children, you are right. Climate. Today I will discuss the lesson Indian climate. In this lesson, I will discuss climatic type of India and the factors affecting it, climatic seasons and their characteristics, distribution of rainfall in India. Type, which type of a climate having in India? In India, we are having the tropical monsoon, which you are seeing here. See, this dots is there na? This is a tropical monsoon type of a climate, and which lies in tropical zone. India lies in a tropical zone, isn't it? Here. India lies in tropical zone. There are some factors which influence on the climate of India like location, water bodies, monsoon winds and relief features. These are the factors which influence on the climate of India. Our next topic is climatic seasons. There are 4 seasons. First one, the winter season, which starts from December to Feb, and then summer season, which starts from March to May. Rainy season, this rainy season, it starts from June to mid-September, and the retreating monsoon season, which starts from mid-September to November. First one is the winter season. In winter season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over the southern hemisphere here, and India gets quick rays of the sun. Here the earth rotation round the sun here like this, and the long night and short day. Long night and short day. The temperature and the humidity are low and sky is clear. The sky is clear like this. The sky is clear. And it is cool in the north. It is cool in the north. This is all area. It is in, it's cool in the north and warm in the south here. Little warm in the south. Cool in the north, warm in the south, and the sky will be clear. The hilly areas of Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh has recorded the lowest temperature in India. In India, the hilly areas of Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh recorded the lowest temperature. The coldest month is January. The coldest month is January, and the Dras here in Jammu and Kashmir, near Kargil. Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature, -4 degrees Celsius. -4 degrees Celsius. In Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature, -4 degrees Celsius. And the annual rainfall is in winter season only 2%. The next season is summer season. In the summer season, the sun rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. The sun rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. The highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degrees Celsius at Ganganagar in Rajasthan here. The highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degrees Celsius at Ganganagar in Rajasthan. This is a Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, Ganganagar is here and it is recorded 49.4 degrees Celsius and only 10% annual rainfall in the summer season. Conventionally, rain occurs locally in some parts of the country. It is known as, first one is in Uttar Pradesh here. In Uttar Pradesh, Andhi. Rainfall in Uttar Pradesh, it is known as a Andhi in the summer season. Like that in West Bengal, here. West Bengal. West Bengal here. Okay, children. The rainfall in West Bengal, Kala Baisakhi, violent thunderstorms in the Gangetic Plains. Rainfall in West Bengal, it is known as a Kala Baisakhi. Like that, in Karnataka, here, in Karnataka, coffee blossom, which helps the coffee plantation. In Kerala, mango showers means which help in mango crop. These are the conventional rain occurs locally in some parts of the country. It is known as in Uttar Pradesh Andhi, in West Bengal Kala Baisakhi, in Karnataka coffee blossom, and in Kerala mango showers. The next season, rainy season. Rainy season is known as a southwest monsoon season also. The rainy season is known as a southwest monsoon in India. There are two branches of southwest monsoon. There are two branches of the southwest monsoon. Our first one is Arabian Sea branch. Arabian Sea branch. Another one is Bay of Bengal branch. First one is a Arabian Sea branch. Another one is a Bay of Bengal branch. These are the two branches of the southwest monsoon. The Arabian Sea branch strikes the western Ghats and cause heavy rainfall to the western side of the western Ghats. The Arabian Sea branch strikes the western Ghats and cause heavy rainfall to the western side of the western Ghats. And the rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of western Ghats, and it lies in the air shadow area. This is a air shadow area. Sorry, this is a rain shadow area. This is a rain shadow area. The Bay of Bengal causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of the Meghalaya and Assam. The Bay of Bengal causes heavy rainfall. The Bay of Bengal causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya and Assam. The heaviest rainfall occurs at Maunsinram in Meghalaya. The annual rainfall is 75%. The annual rainfall is 75% in the rainy season. The last one is the retreating monsoon season. In this season, due to decrease of temperature, low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the landmass. Due to decrease of temperature, low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the landmass, and the low pressure area is covered over the Bay of Bengal, is known as a northeast monsoon season. This is a northeast monsoon season. The low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal, known as northeast monsoon season. The coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha get rainfall during this season, and India receives only 13% of its annual rainfall in the retreating monsoon season. And then tropical cyclones. The tropical cyclones occurs in Bay of Bengal. Where? In Bay of Bengal. And during this season, there are some causes like damage along east coast here. This east coast will be damaged in the retreating monsoon season because of tropical cyclones. Our next topic is distribution of rainfall. The area with low rainfall, light yellow in color, this one. This area is a low rainfall area, and this also. And area with medium rainfall, light green color, which you are seeing in a map. That area is a medium rainfall. The heavy rainfall area, black in color. This one here, and this is the Western Ghats, Assam, Meghalaya, this area. Okay, children. These are the areas which having low rainfall, medium rainfall, and heavy rainfall. Already I had marked with arrow mark. Area with the medium rainfall, that is 50 to 100 centimeters, from northern Punjab to Cape of Kanyakumari. From North Punjab, from North Punjab to Kanyakumari, Cape of Kanyakumari, and peninsular India between Western Ghats and then Eastern Ghats, between the Western Ghats and then Eastern Ghats, 50 to 100 centimeter. Area with low rainfall means less than 50%. Thar desert of Rajasthan. This area of Rajasthan. Thar desert, and then adjoining areas like Western Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat. After that, Royali here in Jaisalmer. Royali in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives least amount of rainfall. Had recorded 8.3 centimeter rainfall here. Royali is the receive least amount of rainfall, which you are seeing in a map here. Least rainfall. Areas with heavy rainfall. 100 to 250 centimeter. That areas are Western Ghats, Jammu Hills, Himachal Pradesh, Northern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal, and then Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, Monsoon Ram is located in this zone, gets the heaviest rainfall, and West Coast and West Coast and the western side, West Coast and the western side of Western Ghats get the heaviest rainfall. In Meghalaya, this is the area of Meghalaya near Cherrapunji, the Monsoon Ram near Cherrapunji, Monsoon Ram get the heaviest rainfall in India. Now I will ask some questions, children, some blanks. India has dash type of climate. India has dash type of climate. Second one, in India, dash receives the highest rainfall. In India, dash receives the highest rainfall. In India, dash has recorded the lowest temperature. In India, dash has recorded the lowest temperature. And the fourth blank is the coldest month of India is dash. The coldest month of India is dash.
First blank, tropical monsoon. Second blank, Monsoon Ram. Third blank, dash near Kargil, -4 degrees Celsius. Fourth blank, January.
Yes, my child, you are right. India has tropical monsoon type of climate. In India, Monsoon Ram is received the highest rainfall. Third one, in India, Dras near Kargil, -4 degrees Celsius has recorded the lowest temperature. The coldest month of India is January. Take down homework now. Indian climate, seasons and their features. Identify the season and when it was start and sunfall, lowest temperature area, annual rainfall and then their features. Second one, identify the picture and write down the season and when it will start, sun rays, fall, highest recorded temperature, conventional rain, Andhi, Kala Baisakhi, mango showers, coffee blossom and annual rainfall. Third one, identify the picture and write down the season and when it will start and known as. There are two branches. The heaviest rainfall you have to write down in the blank in the box and annual rainfall of this season. Another one, identify this picture and write down the season and when it will start and what is known as this season, annual rainfall and their features. Last one, distribution of rainfall. In this low rainfall region and their features you have to write down in the box. Moderate annual rainfall region and their features. Heavy rainfall region and their features. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Have a nice day. Subscribe my channel for upcoming lessons. Thank you.